Welcome back to Educadoo. Today, we are exploring another powerful feature of Educadoo, subject categories. This feature allows you to classify subjects into different categories, making it easier to manage both academic and extracurricular programs. To get started, head to the configuration menu and select subject category. This is where you can view, create, and organize subject categories based on your school's curriculum. If you need to add a new category, just click the Create button. You can customize your subject categories to match your school's educational structure. By default, you'll see common categories like Scholastic, which typically includes academic subjects, and Co-Scholastic, for activities like physical education or creative arts. The other category can be customized to handle any additional subjects or programs your school offers. All subjects will be grouped under the relevant subject category. Then go to the configuration menu and select subjects. Here, you can see a list of all the subjects currently offered in your school. To add a new subject, click the Create button. Now, you'll need to fill in some basic details for the subject. First, enter the name of the subject, subject code, subject category. For example, if you're adding mathematics, simply type mathematics into the field. Use a code like Math101 for mathematics and to assign this subject to a subject category. Click the drop-down menu and you'll see the categories you set up earlier, like Scholastic, Co-Scholastic, and other. Lastly, if you want this subject to appear in the school's timetable, make sure to check the box labeled Active on Timetable. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, subject name, subject code, and selected the appropriate subject category, click the Save button to add the subject to your school's curriculum. Now, let's talk about managing subjects within the syllabus in Educadoo, your comprehensive school management solution. In Educadoo, the syllabus is created on a class-wise basis, making it easy to ensure that each class has the correct subjects assigned. To create a new syllabus for any class, simply click on the Create button. Enter the name for the syllabus, such as Syllabus for Class 10, and start adding the subjects for that class. Click the Add item and click the drop-down menu, and you'll see the subjects you set up earlier. Select each subject and specify the minimum and maximum marks. This helps teachers align their grading structure with the syllabus. Once all the details are entered, click Save. Details like optional, grade only, and consider for grade calculation were thoroughly explained in the exam video. Next, to apply the syllabus to specific sections, click on the Assign Syllabus button. From here, choose the sections that will follow this syllabus and click Assign for assigning. You can duplicate the previous syllabus on the Action button. And also copy syllabus to next academic year, then click on the Copy Syllabus button. With Educadoo's subject categories and syllabus management features, you can effortlessly streamline your school's curriculum organization. This ensures a structured learning environment, making it easier for both educators and students. Embrace these tools to enhance your school's academic experience today.